Thank you, Chairman Grassley. Happy birthday. Ranking Member Durbin, thank you as well. And thank you to Senator Tillis for his partnership on these judicial nominations before the committee today. It's my honor to introduce David Bragdon, Lindsey Freeman, who have been nominated by President Trump to serve on the U.S. District Court for the Middle District of North Carolina. And Matthew Orso and Susan Rodriguez have been nominated to serve on the U.S. District Court for the Western District of North Carolina. I'm grateful to President Trump for nominating these exceptionally qualified individuals to serve as U.S. District Judges for the great state of North Carolina. I have full confidence in each of these nominees and trust that they will faithfully apply the words of our Constitution and the letter of the law without resorting to the wrongful practice of judicial activism. I'm equally confident they will make the decisions in an impartial manner, exercising deep judicial humility and treating everyone in the courtroom equally with respect. I'd like to now take a moment to briefly introduce these nominees to the committee and present their qualifications to assume the bench. David Bragdon currently serves as the Chief of the Appellate Division of the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Eastern District of North Carolina and previously served as a Assistant U.S. Attorney in this office. Mr. Bragdon also served as the Resident Legal Advisor for the Philippines and the U.S. Department of Justice, where he helped to strengthen law enforcement tools. Notably, Mr. Bragdon was also a law clerk to Justice Clarence Thomas on the Supreme Court and to Circuit Judge Stephen Williams on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Columbia Circuit. Mr. Bragdon graduated from the University of Virginia School of Law, summa cum laude, from Campbell University, where he served as a student body president. Lindsey Freeman currently serves as the Assistant U.S. Attorney in the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Middle District of North Carolina. She's previously served in senior roles at the Department of Justice, including as Chief of Staff in the Office of the Associate Attorney General and the Office of Legal Policy. Ms. Freeman was also of counsel at the law firm of Elveni and Myers LLP in Los Angeles and Washington, D.C. She began her legal career as a law clerk to Judge John M. Rogers on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit. Ms. Freeman graduated magna cum laude, Order of the Coif, from the University of Pennsylvania, Carey Law School, magna cum laude from Harvard University. Matthew Orso currently serves as partner of the law firm Troutman Pepper Locke in Charlotte and was previously a partner at McGuire Woods in Charlotte. Mr. Orso began his law career as the clerk for Judge Robert J. Conrad, Jr. of the U.S. District Court of Western North Carolina. Mr. Orso graduated magna cum laude from St. Louis University School of Law, where he served as editor-in-chief of the Law Review, and from the University of Dayton, where he was captain of the rugby team. Last but certainly not least, Susan Rodriguez serves as a U.S. Magistrate Judge in the Western District of North Carolina. Judge Rodriguez was also previously a law partner at McGuire Woods in Charlotte. She served in policy roles at the White House Counsel Office and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. She began her legal career as law clerk to District Judge Frank Whitney of the U.S. District Court for the Western District of North Carolina. Judge Rodriguez graduated from George Mason University, Antonin Scalia Law School, and graduated magna cum laude from Centre College. Mr. Chairman, I have personally met with each of these nominees before the Senate Judiciary Committee today. I've heard directly from them about their passion for the rule of law and our Constitution. They are highly qualified to serve the people of North Carolina and our great nation with distinction and with honor. After hearing their testimony and responses to questions today, I'm sure that the committee will agree that they are well qualified and prepared for the responsibility of serving North Carolina. I hope my colleagues on both sides of the aisle will find the same level of confidence in these four nominees before the federal bench that I have, especially on this Constitution Day, as we reaffirm our duty to uphold the principles of justice enshrined as the supreme law of the land. Thank you.